Hello guys, my name is Dylan. My YouTube channel is DRG Bros. And today we are going to be doing the angles of the triangle all add up to 180 degrees. So we'll slowly progress until we can prove that statement. So this is a review. Angles can be measured in two ways, called degrees and radians. Professional work formally uses radians. And so, what we're going to do, we're going to draw the angle. Okay. And so what we can do is we can do a unit circle. We can draw a unit circle. Okay. So basically, this arc, it's called the radian measure. So the bigger the arc, the bigger the angle. So if we divide the circle into 360 equal parts and count the parts of the angle, then that is the degree measure. So I'm not going to do that right now, but that's how you would determine it. So we can make a table. So this will be degrees. And this will be radians. Okay. So 360 degrees would be 2 pi radian. 180 degrees would be half of that, so it would be pi. 90 would be pi over 2. Now 60, this one's a little off of the divide or the subtract. But so subtract. So what plus self equals that. So this one's 60. This would be pi over 3. Okay, next is 45, which 45 plus 45 is 90, which would be 4. And then 30 would be pi over 6. Okay? That is pretty simple. So what we're going to do now is a little more complicated. This is new. So opposite angles are equal. Okay? So if we draw So we're going to make two intersecting lines. There we go. And we label these lines 1, 2, and 3, or these angles. So basically, here's our proof. So our proof is, this is a geometric sign for angle. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 because it forms a line. Okay? So, angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180 since it also forms a line. So this we can imply that angle 1 plus angle 2 is the same as angle 2 plus angle 3. Now we can imply that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3 minus angle 2. You know how I got the negative angle 2? We take this angle 2 and put it over here. So we move this over here. So that means we can imply that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Okay? So that means opposite angles, because these are like opposite angles, are equal. And this is very important pretty soon. Okay? So we discussed that. Okay. Now we're going to discuss alternate angles at a transversal are equal. So what we're going to draw are two parallel. If you don't know what parallel means, it means equal lines. And so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a transversal. So this is the transversal. Okay? And now we're going to label the angles 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So we know that angle 3 is equal to angle 2 from topic 2 because they're the same. Because they're opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. And from geometry, angle 2 is the same as angle 1. Because here the line is straight. So that and the parallel lines. So that line is basically this line segment and this line. So that means that angle 3 therefore must be equal to angle 1. Okay? And now finally we're going to prove that the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So what we're going to do, given any triangle, we're going to label, we're going to make a triangle. Let's draw a little dot here. This is going to be point C. Okay? Okay. Right here is point A. And we're going to draw a line from point A to point B. And from point B, we can draw a line to point C. Okay? Now, so what we can do is we can add a line extension to this line segment. So basically what that means is we can elongate this line. Okay? And so we have C, we can add a line extension here to make parallel lines. Okay. And now what we can do is we can elongate line AC because they form a line. And we can also therefore do the same with C and B. So we can elongate the line. Okay? So now we're going to label these angles. So this is going to be angle 1. This is going to be angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, and angle 5. Okay? So, angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Is equal to 180 because it forms a line. And so what we can do now is 4 and 1 are opposite angles. So that means they're the same value. So therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 5 equals 180. And lastly, angle 3 and angle 5 are opposites, so that means they are equal. So we can do angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180. So therefore, all of these add up to 180. All the angles in the triangle add up to 180. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.